Because of the adrenaline running through your body after being attacked or bitten by a dog, you're not going to know the full extent of your injuries. And the typical injuries that we do see, range from physical injuries to emotional injuries and everywhere in between. Some of these physical injuries can be, bites and wounds, puncture wounds to your body, but most people don't understand that there's an emotional component to it, and that can be the long-lasting injuries that you suffer long after the bites have healed. One of the biggest mistakes we see with someone who's seeking medical treatment after being bit by a dog is a delay. The last thing you want to do is delay your treatment because you don't know the full extent of your injuries, you don't know the vaccination status of the dog, and you don't know what type of underlying injuries you could have suffered. So it's imperative that you get treatment as soon as possible. After going to the urgent care or to the emergency room, you want to follow all medical recommendations that you receive from your treating doctor. That could be a plastic surgeon consultation, could be following up with an orthopedic or a wound specialist, but it's imperative to continue following what your doctor has ordered you to do. So after you get to safety and you're clear from the dog, the next thing you want to do is call the police or call animal control. And they're going to come to the scene, and it serves a couple different functions. One, you want to document this incident, but two, you also want to put them on notice to prevent something like this happening again and possibly injuring somebody else in your community or a family member or loved one. If the dog owner is there at the time of the attack or arrives shortly after, you want to make sure you get their name, their address, their contact information, and if you can, or if you know, one of the questions you may want to ask is the type of dog, the breed of dog, their size of the dog, and their vaccination status. 3 different ways that you can document the scene after being attacked by a dog is take photos of the dog and your injuries, to look for surveillance or video camera, or to see if any of the neighboring houses have doorbell cameras on them. You want to photograph any torn, bloodied, or tattered clothing as a result of the bites. You want to document any bruising that is occurring and the progression of any bruising or scarring. You should also try to document or photograph the exact area where this bite or attack occurred. It doesn't matter if the dog is attacked before or if this is their first bite. You are entitled to monetary damages after a dog bite or attack, regardless of if the dog has ever bitten anyone before. Whether or not your injuries seem minor or catastrophic, you want to get an attorney on board right away.